idol. And basically, Master Silent, I want to ask you, who are the people who have been your greatest source of strength and inspiration? You could say your mom, you could say your dad, uncle. But then again, I would like to ask you among the Marvels, superheroes, the DC superheroes, and athletes. How about Disney characters? And may I ask, Mark, who among these personalities is your idol, and what trait you emulate on? What trait would you like to emulate on these heroes that you would like to, they have an inspiration to you?
Iron Man.
Iron Man. Iron Man is DC or Marvel?
Marvel.
Sandali.
Disney na rin, bale, kasi binili na
Iron Man